Hello everyone, this is Alejandra Gomez with creatingwithali.com, and today I want to share with you the next card class available that I have for you. This one really is a card class to show you how to make cards with the design series paper. I'm pretty sure if you're like me, you have a lot of design series paper that you have not used, and so this is why I created this card class so that I can give you more ideas on how to use it. Now, for this class, I actually use one of the brand new design series papers called Magnolia Lane, which is the one that you're going to be seeing here. It's beautiful paper. I love all the sides on this collection, as you can see here. So really great paper. And so I decided to make a card class with that one. Now, one of the things that you're going to notice here is that I didn't use the Magnolia Lane, or a Good Magnolia, I think it is. Yeah, a Good Morning Magnolia stamp set. Now, if you have this one, obviously you can use it. I decided to go with something different just to make a point that you can use any design series paper when creating these cards. I actually used the Country Home because I wanted to have big, bold sentiments on this card class, as you can see it on this side. So you don't need to use this one, of course. You can use anything you have available, so long as you have those big bold, because that's how I am basing this card class. So let me just give you some of the options that I have here. So the option one will then include the Country Home stamp set, which I'm pretty sure a lot of us already have this one because this was part of the holiday catalog out of last year. So you might already have that one. Again, if you don't, this is a way to have it. So this is included here. You also get a full pack, or the combo pack, of the Magnolia Lane ribbon, which you can see you have a really nice ecru color ribbon, and then you have this one as well, which is more like a linen thread in mossy meadow, and fantastic. You're gonna love it. And it also includes half of a pack of a design series paper, just so that you can create the same cards that I am using here. You can see there's some foam folds like this one. Oh, you can have it see. You can see some ways to use some of your scraps. I'm sure we all have scraps from a lot. Then you can see another one just using and swapping different papers from the design series paper. And you can see here it's another one where I actually use some cutouts out of the design series paper. Again, lots of ideas. I share a lot of tips there, and so if you're interested, let me just tell you. So oh, and by the way, everything is video tutorials. So the option one, which is the one, like I said, includes everything. That one is $69. It already includes the shipping to you, which is $8. Option two is for those of you who already have this stamp set, which I think is going to be the majority of us. And so you get the pack of ribbon, as well as half of a pack of the design series paper with the make and take packet to make all 6 projects and the video tutorials, and that option is $49. And then of course there's the option where you might only want the video tutorials because you want to use your own design series paper, your own supplies, your own sentiments, and I'm sure you also have lots of ribbon to use, and so that option is only for the video tutorials, and that one is $20. So I'm sure you're going to enjoy this class. I know you're going to be able to recreate this with over and over with any design series paper you already have, and I'm sure you have lots of it, and so I know that you're gonna use it over and over. So anyway, so thank you so much. I hope to see you in this class, and I'll be more than happy to share with you all my tips for this for these cards when using your design series paper. So thank you so much, and I'll see you in the class. Bye.